Alright, step one, remove the adapter from the stand itself. Just put a finger behind it, pop it out, you're good to go. Next step is to feed the USB cable through the adapter, which ultimately hides the cable as it leaves the charging puck. And then you need to feed the USB cable into the base of the stand, much the same way. And then we press this in. It's a fairly tight fit, as designed. So now that's in, we can feed the cable into the channel down the side and out the back, and then plug it into whatever charging brick of your choice, and you're done.